So this is about additions and subtractions. So there is one more thing we need to discuss, which is download answers. So once after you have taken a printout and you have solved the questions, now you can check the answers. How to check the answers? You can see an option called as download answers. Just click on that and open this. You will see all the answers here. So my suggestion is always enable this and don't enable this. Okay. Also, when you click on download answers, here also you can see all the answers. Answers are prefixed with a underscore. Questions are prefixed with q underscore. Just for you to not to confuse between the questions and the question numbers and answers. Okay. Now, if you download the answers, so what are the best settings here? Always download in include borders, always include borders, and don't enable this. And if you download answers and open this, you will see you can check the answers in this way. Now let's go to multiplications generator.